So I bought these solar lighted house numbers for my house, and I'm going to explain real quick how I installed them, how they work, and show you a quick nighttime video of them. This is the box they come in. They charge with the sun in about 6 to 8 hours. The box says they emit 100% brightness for about 3 hours, then begin to dim out after that. Mine stay on for about 5 to 6 hours at night. They are waterproof, so you don't have to worry about the rain. A stencil is included for the screw installation, and it really does give that elegant look at night. Here's a picture of my house at night, followed by some video. So this is the real quick, the lights. They light up pretty nice at night, and I highly recommend them, man. They're links in the comments. Check them out. Gives it a real nice look to your house. So let me know what you think. These are the 9-inch lights. They do have 6-inch lights as well. I've had these for about a month now with no issues. Hope this helps if you were looking for these. Product links in the video description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY product reviews. And thank you for your support.